Are you still using DVD discs? In today's video, I'm going to take you inside the current state of DVD development and introduce you to a powerful AI restoration software, VidHex, capable of taking your DVDs from SD to 4K. But you might be surprised to learn that as of 2024, over 1 billion DVDs are still in active use worldwide. Even the familiar Netflix only ditched its 25-year-long DVD mailing service in the last few years. This means that despite the dominance of digital streaming, DVDs still hold an important place in many people's entertainment habits. Unlike digital streaming, DVDs often come with director's commentaries, behind-the-scenes footage, deleted scenes, and other extras that enrich the viewing experience. When you buy a DVD for a few dollars, it's yours, no renting, no risk of sudden removal from a streaming library. This sense of ownership provides a security and value that streaming platforms cannot replace. Blu-ray discs offer better picture quality and larger storage capacity, but it never became a household staple like DVDs did. Many people find Blu-ray to be cost-prohibitive and prefer to stick with their existing DVD collections. As a result, DVDs remain the only physical version for many films, standing as the last guardians of the standard definition era. Many people use DVDs to archive family videos, wedding footage, and old animations. When you watch these DVDs on a modern 4K TV, the problems become obvious: blurred images, lost detail, and heavy pixelation. This is because DVDs were never designed for today's high-definition demands. However, technological advances bring new hope. AI-powered video restoration boosts old videos to higher clarity by recognizing scenes and rebuilding details. No costly remasters or advanced editing skills required, letting everyone easily own HD versions of classic old videos. Today, we introduce VidHex, an AI tool designed specifically for DVDs and low-resolution videos. It combines multiple intelligent models and automatically selects the best restoration approach based on the video type. Whether it's an old movie, home video, or animation, VidHex provides targeted quality enhancement. With simple steps, you can easily achieve a stunning HD viewing experience. Here's how it works. 1. Open VidHex, then drag in the DVD video files you have digitized, or click to browse and select. You can also pick quick access modes like DVD video for faster setup. 2. On the right panel, select the appropriate video repair mode. In the lower right corner, select the desired resolution such as 1080p or 4K and output resolution. Before applying the changes, click Preview to view a side-by-side comparison. 3. If you think the fix is still good, just click Export All and let VidHex enhance and render your video. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, you'll find the process straightforward and beginner-friendly. So why let those precious memories stay blurry? Your classic DVDs deserve a stunning second life. Ready to transform your DVDs? Download VidHex right now and see the magic for yourself. It's the easiest way to give your old videos the upgrade they deserve. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on preserving and enhancing your digital memories. Let's keep the classics alive in stunning HD.